Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, I want to show you the set of two 6 feet artificial sago palm trees. These ones, they're just barely 6 foot because this one I'm 5'10" and they're barely surpassing me. So I have to say that they're about like five something, kind of like six. But this one, I do like they're entirely fake. You can see this right here. So this is how you're gonna put them. You can put some glue in here if you want, or kind of like one of those like rubber tapes or something like that, and just put them in here and you're all set. The base is heavy, so I don't think that this one are gonna be easily to knock over, but I do think that this one are gonna be better if you put it inside of a bigger pot with gravel or sand. I think that's my choice. That's actually how I do have some of mine right here, but just having a bigger pot with gravel is gonna be better. Let's take a closer look. Do like the come in a set of two. As you can see over here, the kind of like nice and natural, super vivid colors. They do have kind of like the junction, which is gonna be, or the union better say, it's gonna be kind of like hidden, so that is really cool. And also you have kind of like some natural feels as well when you're reaching kind of like the base as well. Again, the base is heavy, but I do recommend to use a bigger pot with gravel. I think that's gonna be the better take on this one when you're putting them both in your patio or your yard. But yeah, they look pretty nice. They're nice to assemble, easy to assemble. They look very natural, and they come in a set of two. So I would just pick this ones and scatter a few of this one in your patio or something like that. If you have like a fully artificial patio, we don't have grass right here in our patio. It's all like pavers and my golf putting green. So having this is going to be a really nice decoration. I hope it's a nice decoration for you as well.